Hi everyone, this is Rainey with whyamigreen.com, and today I'm going to give you a tour of my urban homestead. Now, I haven't started doing much of anything out there, and everything is still out here that I've had stored all winter, so it's kind of cluttered. But let me show you what's going on. Okay, starting out on the left here, I've got buckets. Okay, my barbecue grill's there, but as you can see, there's buckets galore. Actually, I counted yesterday, I had a little over 50 buckets on my deck. And down there, those are going to be for a Dutch bucket system. And as we go around, I don't know what I'm going to do with those. Those were just right, I guess you could say, all over the deck last year, kind of just on the ground. I was just planting just with soil and watering them every day, tomatoes and green peppers. So they have holes, as you can see on the bottom, probably quarter-inch holes all the way around. So there's not too much I could do with them, unless I do some kind of maybe wicking system with water on the bottom, because like I said, anything else they would leak. So let's see, I'm going to go down this way and show you the opposite end. That's where I came out the door. And over here in the yellow top bucket or tote, that's filled with my soil blend for the wicking baskets. And this other one has a lot of storage, my lime and bone meal and all the different type additives I put into the soil. And there's my sled for ice fishing, but that also makes a great place to mix the soils up here. And again, buckets. Those are buckets that have accumulated. The white ones are from the Chinese restaurant for their soy sauce, and the blue ones I got from Walmart. Moving over, there's my relax spot. Nice little hood there. Relax from the sun. And going down a little bit further, you'll see the gray trash can is what I used last year for water. Now what I did, and you see this on one of my other videos, actually I did an unboxing and assembling of those green buckets. Those are portable water or rainwater buckets. The top opens, you can see a little square on top for the rain to drain in them, and they have little spouts at the bottom, so they're going to look a lot more full and round once they're filled with water. But right now they're empty. I just have them there for storage. So here I am sitting on my deck enjoying the sunlight, and I have a visitor here coming to see me. Hi, Tuca. He only comes for the nuts. Then I have my cold frame. I've had that out here for probably about a week now. I actually have a video showing how to build it with the plans, free plans online. That's been working great for my plants. I have tomatoes in there, and you'll see when I get closer, I've got some bunch of cucumbers and other smaller plants in the front. And let's see, going around over here, more buckets and buckets. That's my Alaska bucket growing system, wicking system over there, and the white buckets with all the holes in them. I actually have a video about that too. It's kind of a neat self-watering system where, like I said, it has a float in one of the blue buckets, and it keeps a certain level of the water, and it keeps on watering itself and wicking up. There's cloth bags inside. There's actually, each one of those bags sits on a colander, so it's kind of a neat system. And let's go ahead and look inside here. There we go. You can see the cucumbers and little cucumbers and tomatoes. Those vine tomatoes and what's the other one? The Roma. There we go. I knew it would come to me. Over here we have string beans, and so those are all vine and Romas in there as well. Going back to these buckets, you can see that opens up Velcro for water to drain in, but I'm just going to pour them in. And there's the spout I was talking to you about. So I'm anxious to get those working. So that's my little urban garden. And right now it's just cluttered with buckets. But you're going to see mid to late summer, it's going to look like a forest out here. It'll be so much green. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day, and remember, if you're not growing, you're not green. Bye-bye.